Hey everybody, we're here. Be right with you. I'm finishing up getting everything ready for this live. Hopefully you're there. Important changes, important changes, important changes. Okay, we are live and on all the channels we need to be on right now. Welcome to my Facebook Live, y'all. As you see in the corner up there, Beyond Profits. It's actually even changed since then. Kingdom Business Dynamics. Conquer with Chris is still a channel, but we're going to be focusing on Kingdom Business Dynamics. The Chris Collier, the YouTube channel is changing to my digital marketing and branding, email marketing, all the digital marketing type things. It'll be focused over there. The Kingdom Business mindset will be over on Conquer with Chris. So hopefully you guys will understand this change. I made it a little bit earlier, but I didn't have the wherewithal to house everything. So now we're separating the two, putting at the Chris Collier. That YouTube channel will house all my digital marketing stuff. The Christian-centered business, the Christ-centered business, kingdom-centered business stuff will be over on Conquer with Chris. We'll keep them separate. Now, if I'm interviewing someone, they have some digital marketing tips. I am going to put it, if the most of the conversation is going to be about kingdom business, we are still going to put it on Conquer with Chris. But we might pull out the digital marketing hacks for the Chris Collier account. So just so you know kind of what's going on, I appreciate you guys' support, continued support, previous support. And I just want to say, God bless. You guys have a great day. Just want to let you know that what was going on. If you have any questions, drop them in the link. In the comments below. I greatly appreciate it. Have a wonderful day and kingdom blessings.